In a world where artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of power, one company has emerged as both a technological titan and a moral lightning rod. This is the story of Anduril Industries, the brainchild of Palmer Luckey, visionary, provocateur, and self-proclaimed defender of Western civilization. Founded in 2017, Anduril didn't just want to build weapons, it set out to build a new kind of warfare. Today we dissect its rise, innovations, philosophy, and the profound implications of letting algorithms make life or death decisions. This is not just a company profile, this is a reckoning with the future. The making of a maverick. Palmer Luckey made his first fortune at 21, selling Oculus to Facebook for $2 billion. Then he disappeared from Silicon Valley, but not for long. Fueled by disillusionment and ambition, he joined forces with Palantir veterans like Trey Stevens and Brian Schimpf. Together they launched Anduril Industries. The name itself, Anduril from Tolkien lore, signals their ethos, a reforged weapon to guard the West. With early backing from Peter Thiel's Founders Fund and Luckey's own Oculus windfall, Anduril was born as a defense contractor for the digital age. Code and conquest. What sets Anduril apart isn't just what it builds, but how it builds. The cornerstone is Lattice, an AI-powered operating system that fuses data from drones, sensors, and surveillance towers into a single decision-making platform. Think of it as mission control for autonomous warfare. Its product suite is formidable. Ghost 4 drone, a silent VTOL ISR drone, portable and modular, capable of battlefield intel gathering in hostile territory. Anvil Interceptor, a kamikaze quadcopter designed to neutralize enemy drones mid-air. Sentry towers, solar-powered, AI-driven watchtowers deployed across the US border, capable of 24/7 autonomous threat detection. Altius loitering munitions, tube-launched drones that serve as both eyes and weapons. Ghost Shark, an unmanned submarine platform being developed with the Royal Australian Navy. At the heart of it all is Lattice, coordinating every sensor and platform, reducing human latency in military decision loop. The contractor that outruns Congress. Anduril's business model is agile, aggressive, and controversial. It bypasses traditional government RFPs, self-funds prototypes, and pitches complete solutions to the Pentagon. The result? Over $1 billion in contracts in just 6 years. Key wins include $250 million DHS contract for virtual border wall surveillance, $967 million SOCOM contract for counter-drone systems, $100 million Royal Australian Navy contract for unmanned undersea vehicles, selected by the US Air Force to develop autonomous jet wingmen under its Collaborative Combat Aircraft CCA initiative, the philosophy of force. Anduril doesn't shy from its ideology. It believes the West is in a struggle for technological and geopolitical survival. Luckey has argued that Silicon Valley's refusal to work with the military is a betrayal of democratic values. The company sees AI not as a risk to be restrained, but a tool to be mastered before others do. Critics call this a militarized libertarianism. Anduril calls it realism. A future autonomous and unanswerable. But where does this all lead? We are entering a world where Lattice could not just assist human operators, but replace them. Drones that scout, strike, and adapt in real time. Towers that surveil with no oversight. Code that acts before humans can think. With projects like the Arsenal Megafactory aiming to mass-produce autonomous systems, the future of defense may be decided not by nations, but by networks. Critics, challenges, and the AI arms race. Anduril's ascent hasn't gone unchallenged. Civil liberties groups warn of surveillance overreach. AI ethicists question the wisdom of delegating lethal authority to machines. Global competitors like China are racing to build their own versions of Lattice. Are we entering a new Cold War, fought not with nukes, but with code? Closing thoughts. Palmer Luckey didn't just build a company, he forged a paradigm. In the coming years, as the fog of war thickens with silicon and algorithms, the real question won't be who builds the smartest weapons, it will be who dares to use them. This has been a special deep dive from AI Network News. I'm Jacob O'Reilly. Stay sharp.